All right, project 2.5, monthly blog traffic for before you click. So we're going to open up a new spreadsheet. We're going to name it less than 2.5. And the first thing they want us to do on step 3 is to key in the data on the spreadsheet as shown in figure 2.5. And then we need to resize the columns so that all the data fits appropriately and use autofill to complete the months in column A. So this is what we need to have when we're done. So let me do that and I'll get right back to you. All right, I got everything typed out except for the months. I'm going to show you how to use autofill. So the first month, we're going to type January, and then February. All right, so what I'm going to do is, after that's done, I'm going to click back in it, and I'm going to click, hold, and drag it all the way down to the bottom. And it automatically puts the months in there for me. So it saves some time by doing that for autofill. All right, so I have my spreadsheet all done like they want me to do. Let's go back to the directions and see what they want us to do. All right, we have to resize the columns. So the easiest way to resize the columns is put your cursor on the line between column A, column B, and when you see the double arrows, just double click. It'll automatically make it larger so that everything fits. Same thing for the columns C and D. Okay, so now all the information fits and it's spaced out appropriately. Format the text in cell A1 to size 14 point and make it bold. A1, size 14, and we're going to make it bold. All right. So in cells A3 through C3, we're going to make those bold. A3 through C3, we're going to make those bold. Now, again, we're going to have to space it out so it all fits. Center line columns B and C. So I'm going to highlight both of those, center align them. And then number 7, use the data in cells A3 through C15 to create a line plot. So A3 through C15, I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to click the insert graph. And I have a line graph. Now we have to do some customizing. So they want to change the title to monthly blog traffic. So I'm just going to double click right here. Monthly blog traffic. And if you hear dog barking in the background, that's my dog barking at the Amazon delivery person. The legend, they want us to change the font size to 11 point. So here's my legend right here. So if I come over here to customize and I go down to 11, I want the font size. If I click on it, it doesn't have 11. So all I have to do is just type in 11, hit enter, and it changes the size. All right, change the chart background to a light gray 3. So that's up here at the chart style. Background, light gray 3. Okay, and then remove the horizontal axis title. The horizontal axis title, it says months. To do that, we're going to go to charts and axis titles. We're going to click on horizontal axis title, and we're going to delete that. And for all lines of the data, change the line thickness to 4 and change the point size to 7. Change the line size and the points. We're going to click on series. The line thickness, we're going to make it 4. And then the point size, we're going to make it 7. And then for all lines in the data, change the point shape to circles. So I already have circles, so that's good. All right, insert the line chart and then move it to its own sheet. So here's how we do that. Once we have this all done, I'm just going to close this. I'm going to click on the 3 dots, and I'm going to click move it to its own sheet. So down here I have sheet 1, now I have chart 1. They want us to rename the sheet chart. So So I'm going to click here, click rename, chart, return to the spreadsheet. So we're going back to this sheet right here. And in cells B18, key in the formula for the max equals max, left parenthesis. And we're going to select all of these, hit enter. In B19, we're going to key in the formula minimum, okay, equals MIN. Highlight the whole column again, hit enter. All right, in cells B20, key in the formula the average to calculate the average number of visitors. So we're going to put equals AVE, and we'll see the word average. We'll click on it. The left parenthesis is already there. We're just going to highlight those. We're going to hit enter. Now, what we have is we have a number. That's a decimal. We can't have a decimal. So they want us to click back here, and they want to click the decimal decrease button until we get back to a whole number. So 453 people on average visited. All right. All right, so what we have is all of this is done. We have that as 0. All right, so let's go back and make sure we did it all correctly. We typed out as it looks in 2.5. We changed the title, the text to A1 to size 14 in bold. A1's 14 in bold. Made A3 through C3 bold. Centerline columns B and C, those are centerlined. Then we selected A3 through C15, we made a line chart. And here's our chart that we've made. We renamed the sheet chart. And then in B18, we did the max formula. B19, we did the minimum formula. And B20, we did the average formula. All right. So if I click view formulas, you're going to see the 3 formulas that I typed in. All right. We formatted cell 20, B20, so it didn't have any decimal places. So I'm all finished. If there's any questions you guys have, please let us know. Make sure you follow directions. That's it.